Kelsey Mitchell, a standout player for the Indiana Fever, recently made headlines when she chose not to return to China for the new season. After spending time overseas, Mitchell returned to the United States, where she reportedly renegotiated her contract with the Fever. This decision was fueled by personal reasons, but sources suggest that her move was likely influenced by the lucrative offer from the Fever, making it clear that the WNBA star was more focused on her career in the U.S. The Fever, having already secured Mitchell for another year, are poised for a strong run in the upcoming season with a revamped roster that includes new players like Diana Bonner, Natasha Howard, and Sophie Cunningham. Mitchell's absence from the Chinese league is considered a major blow to their team, but her commitment to the Fever and the WNBA season is a sign of her dedication to her American team. Many speculate that the Fever paid Mitchell handsomely to stay, possibly offering her incentives like bonuses and time off to rest and prepare for the season. This decision has sparked debates about the value of international leagues compared to the WNBA. While overseas leagues offer significant financial rewards, it's clear that for players like Mitchell, the priority lies in the US, where the biggest games and opportunities await. Mitchell's new contract is expected to make her one of the highest-paid players in the league, and she is likely to become a millionaire in the coming years, further solidifying her place as one of the best players in women's basketball. As the WNBA season approaches, all eyes will be on Mitchell as she focuses on leading the Indiana Fever to a potential championship. Fans and analysts alike are eager to see how her return to the US impacts both her game and her team's performance.